Ever wanted to turn your favorite melodies into stunning music videos? Introducing Noisee AI, the magical tool that transforms your music into captivating visuals. Let's dive in and see how easy it is. First, upload your music file. Simply select your track from your device. Once uploaded, preview your music file to ensure everything sounds perfect. Next, unleash your creativity by entering a text prompt describing the visuals you envision for your video. Now, choose the perfect format for your video. It's time for the exciting part. Hit Generate. Noisee AI will now work its magic. Once your video is ready, preview it to see how it aligns with your vision. Not thrilled with a particular scene? No worries, simply click Regenerate on that scene. Noisee AI will create a fresh version, giving you another chance to get it just right. When you are satisfied with your masterpiece, it's time for the final step, downloading it. Click the download button, save it to your device, and share it with the world. And there you have it, your very own music video, created effortlessly with Noisee AI. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.